Hello friends, welcome to my channel Study Supreme. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe for skill enhancement in your career. In this video, we will learn about file uploading in Cypress. There are two ways to handle file upload. Number one, without Cypress file upload plugin. So number two is with the install file upload plugins. So let's start. First one, without install file upload plugin. We'll go to the VS Code. We'll create one file of that. Right click, new file, handling. We'll give the name of the handling, file upload test. Okay, we can keep like this ui.js, and we can describe it and what is that handling file upload. Okay, this is a discussion of a test case. And creating the now description. After discussion, we have to use the it block, and first we are doing without install the plugin. So first is related to that file upload file upload without plugin. Okay, this is our title of the test case. We can take it. Okay, now we have to visit any of the urls. ui dot visit the function is there to visit the url. Okay, so now we will go to the website. What to perform that? This is our website which is related to the file upload. First we have to navigate this url. Okay, we are going to navigate this url. Okay, second things, we have to select the file. So we have to choose the file. Right click, we'll go to the inspect element, we'll take the selector of that. What is the file selector? File upload is the selector. You can see here 1 out of 1 is there, and this is the id means has we have to use. Okay, this is correct one. So this is select the file. To select the file means we have to click on the choose button, select abc file, open. Till here this is a select file. What is the use of this functions? As we know, without install the plugin, we have to select the file is a function we have to use. cy dot get, we are giving the path of that dot select file. Okay, and we are giving the path of that file. And this select the file, we have to give the path of that. Okay, what the path? We have to give that path from the Cypress fixer files, and this is a file. So suppose if you are going, copy the path. Okay, we are copying the path, we are pasting here. So this is not required, till here is not required. When we are using the function select file, we have to use till here only Cypress fixer abc file path. Okay, and make sure you have to use the double slash if you are using the select file functions. So till here we are selecting the file. Okay, this file is selected. Now we have to click on the upload button. We are going to here upload button, submit file. Okay, upload button, and we can see submit file submit is also 1 out of 1. We can take it. If you click on the upload button, is coming like this, file uploaded, and this text is coming. So first we have to click on that. We'll click cy.get. Okay, dot click. Okay, after that we want to check that particular file is selected or not, like file is uploaded or not correctly. We can take another one selector with the hash of that. Okay, this one. We'll check the text of that file. What is the text of the file? We can use cy.get. That is the function to particular file. Okay, now here should is our functions to assertions. Okay, what assertion you want to use? We can use the content. contain, what is the content? abc dot jpg is there or not, we will check it. Okay, that is your first test case. That will start the test case, run the test case, we will see it is working or not. Okay, npx Cypress open, we are opening the Cypress now. We'll check the test case is working or not as per the expected. Okay, now you can select E2E, start E2E testing in Chrome. Our test case handling file upload test. Okay, handling file upload test, and that test case is getting started. Yeah, you can see the test case is getting fast, and we can see here we are attaching the file is attached. Okay, after you click on the upload, after upload, what is happening is last session is there, we are checking the name is there or not, it contain abc.jpg is there or not. This is the first way to handle without install the plugins. Okay, now we are coming to the second point, to install the Cypress file upload plugins, and we have to check. So we'll go to the steps. Okay, and here we have to use this command, we have to install the Cypress plugin, and second things, we have to define this one, Cypress file upload, and function is there, attach file data or functions for attaching the any of the files. Okay, then we'll copy this one, we will install that file upload. Okay, we'll go to there, VS Code, go to the terminal and paste it. Your command will be paste it. Okay, make sure it should be the correct one, npm install hyphen hyphen save hyphen dev cypress hyphen file hyphen upload. This is our command to install the Cypress file upload, and you can see it's already updated, it's update immediately. Now second point is the support. Inside the support file command, we have to define this one, import Cypress file upload. Where is the command? Support command.js. Here we have to define it. Okay, we defined it. These two things we have to do. After that, we can use attach file function to work on that. We'll take copy paste this one. Okay, with plugin, and this is not required. Okay, so what we have to do, and here we will change that website, so some other website we have to do, so that is like it will be, you will get to know the correct one. Okay, so any website is there, I think they, okay, this is one more website is there, we have to navigate that website and choose file, and file will be selected here. Here no file selected is there. Okay, first we are checking no file selected, after that we are checking file is selected. Okay, so this file is there. Okay, we can take this one, copy. Okay, navigating the file. Okay, and now what is the file upload? Okay, what is the selector of this one? This one is their file list. File list is our selector of that. Okay, has file list. We can take cy dot get, and this is the file selector dot. We will use the should command here. Should. Okay, and what is the should? Content we can use content use, and what is the content should be there? No file selected. This is should be the content should be there. Okay, after that we have to upload the file. Okay, upload file, we have to take that this one before choose the file we are uploading, and after that, after upload we are checking again if file is uploaded successfully or not. We will change the file name also. Okay, just a minute. Okay, this is a choose file. Okay, and choose file also we had to change the selector of the choose file. No, not this one, this one. Okay, and this one also we can use this. Okay, down to after update attach file, we have to check file is attached or not. Okay, got it. So okay, now it's okay, we are able to understand. Okay, so some difference are there. Here we have to use not select file, we have to use attach file, we have to use first option. Okay, second option, like we are using the abc file in a first test case example, we will take the another test file name, this image name. So it is like steady, study, steady s is there, and copy and paste. Okay, third one, third point is there, when we want to use difference is there, select file and attach file, difference is there. If you are using the select file, by default it will check in the fixer file any of the file is there or not. If is there, it will be take from there directly. So while attach file, no need to use these things. Okay, this path no need to use. Let's see, without changing the path we will run the test case and we will see it issues, issue should come, the issue is coming or not. Let's start. Okay, first test case is running, first test case is getting passed, second one url changed. Okay, and file up, first we are checking no file asserted and no file selected is there, we are setting. After that the fixer, we are seeing already we are in fixer, and but again we are checking the path of that. So this path is not required, make sure don't do these mistakes while writing the scripts. So this is the directly you take from the fixer files. Now you can save the file, you can see the test case. Okay, first test case is getting passed, second one also getting passed, you can see. Sorry, is O is there without plugin. Okay, now is okay. Sorry, plugin. Okay, with plugin or without. Now we are running again the test case. Okay, first test case you know, second test case will just, you can see steady as is there. See, first we are launching the file website and we are checking the file is there or not. No file selected is there text. After that we are selecting the files, file is selected, and we are checking the content, the steady, this one name is the checking this is correct or not. Like that way we are able to do it. Okay, so this is the process to do handling file upload test. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any new videos.